Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between safe dividend and dividend trap, so that you can better understand which dividend-paying investments may offer reliable income and which ones may only look attractive on the surface. Number 1. A safe dividend is a reliable payout supported by business strength, whereas a dividend trap is a high-looking payout that may actually be unsustainable. Number 2. A safe dividend usually offers a reasonable and consistent yield. On the other hand, a dividend trap often shows an unusually high yield that looks too good to be true. Number 3. A safe dividend is backed by a sustainable payout ratio, whereas a dividend trap often has an excessively high payout ratio that may be difficult to maintain. Number 4. A safe dividend is normally covered well by cash flow. On the other hand, a dividend trap has weak cash flow support behind the dividend payments. Number 5. A safe dividend usually comes from stable or growing earnings, whereas a dividend trap is often linked to falling or volatile earnings. Number 6. A safe dividend is supported by a strong core business. On the other hand, a dividend trap is often associated with weak or deteriorating business fundamentals. Number 7. A safe dividend generally belongs to a company with manageable debt, whereas a dividend trap may come from a company carrying a heavy debt burden. Number 8. A safe dividend often has a long record of steady payments or dividend growth. On the other hand, a dividend trap may show an irregular history or even past dividend cuts. Number 9. A safe dividend is usually supported by clear and disciplined management policy, whereas a dividend trap may involve overpromising management or unclear guidance. Number 10. A safe dividend often comes from businesses operating in resilient sectors. On the other hand, a dividend trap is frequently found in troubled or declining industries. Number 11. A safe dividend is usually connected to a share price supported by fundamentals, whereas a dividend trap often appears when the share price falls sharply and the yield rises artificially. Number 12. A safe dividend tends to attract long-term income investors. On the other hand, a dividend trap often attracts investors who are chasing yield only. Number 13. A safe dividend carries a lower chance of dividend cuts, whereas a dividend trap has a much higher chance of dividend reduction or suspension. Number 14. A safe dividend usually offers a better long-term income and stability outlook. On the other hand, a dividend trap may deliver poor total returns despite the high yield. Number 15. The best signal to watch in a safe dividend is a healthy balance sheet, strong cash flow, and solid coverage, whereas in a dividend trap the warning signs are weak cash flow, high debt, excessive payout, and a declining share price. So, the bottom line is that a safe dividend is supported by healthy cash flow, reasonable payout ratios, and strong business fundamentals, whereas a dividend trap may offer a tempting yield but often hides financial weakness and a higher risk of dividend cuts. Therefore, before investing in any dividend stock, always review the payout ratio, cash flow, debt level, earnings trend, and dividend history, because these factors can help you identify whether the income is sustainable or risky. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.